A door is an invitation to new beginnings. An assurance of great possibilities. A silent guardian of your solitude. They become a quiet witness to your precious moments. A door may separate rooms, but it brings lives together. It holds space for your love, laughter, and sometimes a million dreams. At Ahlada, a door is a promise of safety, warmth, and belonging. And that promise began in 2005 with a goal to build sustainable and long-lasting steel solutions. Through our 4,25,000 square feet facility in Hyderabad, India, we have the plant capacity to manufacture 30,000 plus steel doors and 50,000 plus steel windows every month. At Ahlada, the story of every door and window begins with a simple coil of steel. We start by decoiling the sheet, creating an even surface, laying the foundation for everything that comes next. From here, our journey adapts one of the two thoughtful paths according to scale. In one path, the process begins with our laser cutting and punching machines, cutting each sheet with precision into frames, shutters, and every component that brings the door or window together. The hydraulic press follows, embossing graceful patterns onto shutters that give each piece a unique identity. Each piece is then folded on panel benders and CNC press brake machines. In another path, our automated Salvaghini S4P4 line performs cutting, shearing, and bending in one seamless flow. This integrated process ensures speed, precision, and efficiency at scale. Next, a layer of glue is applied, and the heart of the door is filled with honeycomb craft paper, rock wool, or PUF, because what's inside your door should protect what's inside your life. Once the core is placed, the pan and lid are assembled, and the door is cured under pressure, locking it all in with lasting integrity. We powder coat each piece using an eco-friendly method that gives the door a finish that is both graceful and stands the test of time. For wooden finishes, the doors undergo sublimation. Before it leaves us, every product is inspected at multiple stages to ensure quality, finish, and durability. Because what we deliver isn't just a door, it's our promise of protection, performance, and trust. From assembly lines to quality checks, it is our people and not just machines who shape Ahlada's processes. And when it is finally ready, packed with care, its hardware gently added and edges shielded, it begins its journey to find a place in your world. For many years, we have opened doors not just to homes, but to hopes, warmth, and surprises. Ahlada, engineering a better tomorrow.